Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which three are true about thresholds, metrics, and server-generated alerts? Choose 3. Option A. All metrics are instance-related. Option B. Cleared stateful alerts are displayed by querying DBA alert history. Option C. A space usage management alert is automatically cleared after the underlying problem is resolved. Option D. They are generated by SMON when a table space is 97% full. Option E. Metrics are statistical counts for a specific unit. Option F. Statistics level must be set to all to generate alerts. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Cleared stateful alerts are displayed by querying DBA alert history. Option C. A space usage management alert is automatically cleared after the underlying problem is resolved. Option E. Metrics are statistical counts for a specific unit. Question 2. While backing up to an SBT channel, you determine that the read phase of your compressed recovery manager, RMAN, incremental level 0 backup is a bottleneck. Force logging is enabled for the database. Which two could improve read performance? Choose 2. Option A. Increase the size of tape I/O buffers. Option B. Disable force logging for the database. Option C. Increase the size of the database buffer cache. Option D. Enable asynchronous disk I/O. Option E. Increase the level of RMAN multiplexing. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Enable asynchronous disk I/O. Option E. Increase the level of RMAN multiplexing. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.